said, 498 foot long.
What's this?
That's the ship. That's the slip.
Is this it here?
Right, yep.
This is the ship. So see over it, isn't it?
We've got stamped around. You'll see about 20-30 seconds along. You'll see the impact hole of the mines.
Look at the jellyfish.
That's the common jellyfish, the little round ones.
Jellyfish over there.
You've got some bladderwrack growing on there. You've got some sugar kelp trying to establish itself there as well. And obviously they left it here because it's now an artificial reef. So, although they did take the propellers, someone tried it and said they were repeat. But they did come down and take the rudders and the propellers and any scrap that they could salvage and intentionally left the rest. Whether it was a money-saving issue, I'm not sure, but in the end it worked out for the better because we've now got a new environment for the marine life here. A little sec, we should come across the hole, the impact hole the mines had left. Did you know it was a refrigeration unit before it was commandeered for the war effort? It was actually for a refrigeration ship for carrying food that was converted. Now apparently there was 4 ships the same, and all 4 ships suffered the same fate. None of them made it to the war effort. Now there is stories of sabotage. There is stories that the local drunks were looking for a bit of scrap metal, so but again that's just stories.
This is a ship.
They get better every year.
This is a ship.
This is the HMS Port Napier, it's still part of the same ship. We just passed the blast hole of the mines there.
So it's so huge.
Yeah, it's 498 foot long.
And this is all the
That's it.